Okay, we going.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're in town today. I'm with Maeve and Tara. I don't know if you know Tara. Maeve was being left out, so. But we're in town today because we're finished work now for the summer and we're feeling good about it. Where are we going to get? O'Brien's?
O'Brien's, yeah.
That's what I'm going to say.
We're going to spit in our food.
We're finished now and we're just getting some bits and bobs in town. Like, so you're getting makeup. I have to get like moisturizers and stuff like that. So there'll be a Boots haul, there'll be a Tesco food haul, there'll be all that. It's a vegan food haul. So it's exciting, and we're just gonna go get like coffee, and well, I'm getting coffee. Maybe I don't know what you get, soup. Is that sandwiches? First, because you know I'm a bit hungry. And yeah, I'll check back with she in a bit. Hi guys.
That's recording. I didn't see it.
I'm just gonna put this inside my shirt. Oh.
Oh, what is
It's pepper time.
turmeric? Turmeric's an ingredient for food.
You tell him, Tara. You tell him.
Avocado infused sheet mask.
Avocado. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What are you up to?
Florida.
Ay ay.
Ay, papi, papilla. Another one.
Shopped out.
Shop till you drop.
Literally. I went to Boots. She got some new items. I'll be filming my Boots haul separately. What are these? What I'm just doing this now. I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, what did you get, Tara? Oh, oops. Here you go for Tara. Let's have a look, see what you got. And on a side note, isn't Tara's skirt like so gorgeous?
Pretty little thing.
No, gorgeous. Where is it from?
Pretty little thing.
Pretty little thing. She's blocking her face, bless her. Cute. Cutie. Okay, show us what you got, Tara.
Don't put my face in it.
Oh, it's not your face, like here. My, like,
Just essentials that I needed. That
talk us through them.
Buy. Shit that you don't want to spend your money on, but you have to because they're essential, like deodorant,
Oh yeah.
dry shampoo,
Yeah.
face wash.
Do you like the Nivea one? That breaks me out.
The simple one breaks me out.
Does it? Oh,
Nivea
okay.
face wash, Nivea moisturizer, a body butter, just for the shower. New beauty blender because my one is disgusting.
What's that?
Carmex, mascara, eyebrow pencil, highlighter, foundation, everyday foundation, not going out foundation,
Okay.
lipstick, concealer, blush,
But
mask for the crack.
that's, oh yeah, I might have to do it later.
That's it, really?
What's the highlighter like? Is it a good highlighter?
Yeah, it's just because I need it.
Was it Boots you got the highlighter?
No, I got the highlighter in the chemist. It's just like proper shit, you know.
Ooh, nice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to today's haul.
Talk a bit louder though.
Okay, hello everyone. James has requested a haul. I spent more than others today. carried away. I may cry myself to sleep tonight, but you know, whatever. So we're gonna start off with our brow pencil. That's one. Pucker me up. That's another one. Fit me.
You could go through them awful fast.
Powder.
I just don't like the shadows on your face.
Okay, well, over here we have some mascara, some big ass perfume. I know it's Beyonce, cheap, but you know, it was nice. Moving on to our other things. Here we have a few bits. We have a lot of shit actually that we're not going to even go bother getting into, but yeah. Good day ahead. Woo! Woo!
And you're wearing some of your new clothes, are you?
You caught me off guard. Penny shoes that last a week. A legging. Yeah.
Ooh, cool. Cool, very nice name.
And a hoodie.
What does hoodie say?
It says California.
No, it doesn't.
It says Sacramento. Or whatever. It says California.
Okay.
Yeah, so super day hot, loads of money spent. Will I regret it tomorrow? Yes, I will. Yeah.
It's all a bit of fun, isn't it, Maeve?
A bit of fun. Yes, Jane.
Fail.
No path through.
Okay guys, so we got sheet masks. From Boots. Let's get mine up now. How do I put the okay. It's you leave it on for 15 minutes, so someone have a timer. What are you laughing at? Oh, it's like a weird consistency. Oh! Wow, it's wet. Okay. I found my face.
Another credit card.
Which side do I put it on? Does it matter?
I have to cut off.
Okay. Okay. Shit's sticking together. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, you're going out. Okay, okay. Oh. Oh, I don't like this. It looks like I have no lip.
Okay, it's for 15 minutes, so it's 10 to now. 5 past.
Yeah, it's cover my eyebrows, okay? It's not good. This is supposed to cover your eyebrows. Wow, this is really...
Yeah.
It's hard to see in this when you look in the mirror or something, because... Ew, I don't like this at all.
You have to come out for 15 minutes, bitch.
Thank you.
family, this, isn't it? It's like, is anyone in there? Okay, so our face masks are coming off.
Mine already fell off. I have such a small face.
How's your skin feel, Tara? Does it feel better?
It feels fine, yeah.
It hasn't been like, what, check my phone to how long
I haven't put it on 15 minutes.
I put my timer on, I did.
Oh yeah.
There's 3 minutes left.
Soaked in the water.
It was fun.
A detox.
Oh my god, oh yeah. Well, I think you look great. It's like a new look we should try.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
What's it called?
I just can't take it.
Face lab.
Unpeeling.
Unpeeling. Am I gonna be alone?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ew.
Yeah, I don't want to touch her around me.
Okay. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Now massage it.
You're mad, you like poor skin. Oh.
Massage it in with your hands.
Okay.
Yeah, no need for a
Where
rinse.
do I leave this? Don't leave it on the couch.
You're not leaving in my house.
So please like.
No, I'm not signing off. Actually, will I sign off? Yeah. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload every Wednesday. And well, the reason they're making these noises is because they reckon that I do a lot of my videos where I go a lot by.
So please like.
You comment down below if I do that a lot, because I don't think I do.
You comment below. Oh.
Do you want to be on my vlog? Well, anyway.
Anyways.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.